And that bad boy. And that exhaust on there. Yes, sir. And you lit, man. Bad boy pretty. That boy finna sound like a beast by the time I get finished, man. They just dropped one of the resonators off. I'm getting the mid mufflers taken off. And I'm getting the straight pipe. Taking the mid mufflers off and then the straight pipe, they're gonna be alright. Oh boy, working, man. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Man, it's all gonna be right. I'm already know. I can't wait to get in there, man. Get behind this and be up. Oh man. Oh yeah. That's way 10 times better. Yes sir. Y'all hear that? Hell yeah. She a demon now. Hey man. Y'all in Columbus, man. Come to Midtown Mufflers, no count, for real. They just got me right. Finna stop. Whew. That bad boy sweet now. I don't know if y'all can see it. But man, she sounds beautiful. I never really showed y'all the full tour, but I'm gonna give y'all that when I get into a vacant spot. But man, whew, she's purring now. Up there. That's how I like it. I'll let y'all hear how she sound though when I get back to the crib. Y'all need to see that. I'll blur that out. I wonder, can y'all see which one, not the lot, which one I belong to. Not what belongs to me, what I belong to. For real. Let's see what it's on.